10th standard science. The previous class we have studied the different type of the photosynthetic pigments. There are two. One is a primary pigments, another one is a accessory pigments. So today we are going to study the role of the sunlight in photosynthesis. So there is a photosynthesis happening. So the main role is carried by the sunlight. So today we are going to study the detail about that. The entire process of the photosynthesis take place inside the chloroplast. So one more questions may ask, the photosynthesis, the entire process, it's happening inside the chloroplast. The structure of chloroplast is such as that the light dependent and the light independent take place at the different sit in the organelles. So in the organelles means is nothing is the chloroplast. So there are two type of the reactions happening there. One is we call is a light reactions, another one is a dark reactions. So light reactions, how it is going happening. So the light reactions otherwise is called is a light independent reactions. Light dependent reactions called is a dark reactions. So now we are going to study the light dependent reactions. The light dependent reactions otherwise is called is a Hill reactions or light reactions. So this process depend on light. So we can say is very simple. There is no light means these reactions should not be happen there. So the main of the process is carried by the light. Light is nothing, that is a sunlight. So this was discovered by Robin Hills. So first he was discovered. So there is a light reaction that is happening in the plants. So discovered by Robin Hills. One more questions they may ask. The year 1939. The reactions take place in the presence of light energy in thylakoid membranes. So that thylakoid membranes we are called is a crana. So one more questions may ask, that is a light dependent photosynthesis is take place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. Where the thylakoid membranes are present? In the chloroplast. Photosynthetic pigments absorb the sunlight energy and converted into the chemical energy ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH2. So the light pigments. So here that is nothing. The photosynthetic pigment means the primary pigments. So the primary pigments is nothing, chlorophyll A. So that is absorb the light and it converted into the chemical energy of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH2. So this process is carried in the thylakoid membranes. So in the thylakoid membranes is present in the chloroplast. So this product of the light reactions move out from the thylakoid to the stroma of the chloroplast. Okay, now is the finish that. So it is moved to the next. So here look at that ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So ADP, adenosine diphosphate. So that is a difference between the ATP and NADP. So light independent reactions, this we call is a biosynthetic base. So biosynthetic base otherwise is called is a light independent reactions. So the second step, dark reactions or biosynthetic pathway is carried out in stroma. So the stroma is always present in the chloroplast. We can call is the middle of the chloroplast. So during these reactions, carbon dioxide is released and reduced into carbohydrate with the help of the light generating ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH2. So during the light reactions, it produces the ATP adenosine triphosphate and NADPH2 is produced. This is carried to next stage, or is a carbon dioxide reduced to the carbohydrate. So this we call is a Calvin cycle. This is carried out in the absence of the light. That's why we given the name light independent. Independence, without light this process carry out. But the first process we call is a light dependent reactions. So the light is a main role of the process. But here it not like that. The light is not necessary. Normally these reactions is happening during the night time. So in the Calvin cycle, the input or carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and ATP and NADPH2 produced from the light energy. So this is the Calvin one who is discovered this the process. That's the way, otherwise we call is a Calvin cycle. So there are three names are there: light independent reactions, or dark reactions, or Calvin cycle. So three things are is a same name. So the role, there are two way of reaction is happening there. One is a light independent reactions and light dependent reactions. So it is not a very complicated, it is very simple one. So look at the pictures. So it is explained that the Calvin cycle. So how that Calvin cycle is take over there. So the overall of the Hills and the Calvin cycle, it is nothing that light dependent reactions. Another one is a light independent reactions. The first reactions, what will happen? It ATP and NADPH, and it converted into the NADP plus, and so it will the circles of that the light dependent reactions, oxygen and water is released. So here during the glycolysis time, the glucose that is converted into the carbohydrate as well as is a carbon dioxide is released. So the first we can call is the photosynthesis diagram, we call is that is a respirations process. So now what are the affecting factor of the photosynthesis? There are two affecting factors are involved. One is the internal factor, another one is the external factors. So internal factors is one who is present inside the plants, it will affect that. If suppose the minimum amount of the pigments is not there, so it will be affected, because the photosynthesis carried by that is a pigments. The leaf age, so when the leaf is aged one, means they cannot is carried a proper photosynthesis. The accumulations of the carbohydrates, how much the carbohydrate can be stored according to the how much the carbon dioxide is released, and out of that how much is a carbohydrate is produced. So according to that it will be variated. And hormones, so hormones also it is one of the important things. And external factor is the light, carbon dioxide, temperature, water and mineral elements. So light, there is scarcity of light, means the photosynthesis will be affected. There is no carbon dioxide or less amount of the carbon dioxide, means that will be affect the photosynthesis. There is no water, that also will be affected. These are some of the external factor of the photosynthesis affectors. So today's we have studied two reactions. One is a light dependent and light independent reactions. There are two factors are is affecting the photosynthesis, internal factor, another one is external factors. Thank you.